Coach is finally here. Welcome to my first ever video exercise. And I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. On my first and second video, I will be doing some bodyweight exercise so that we will be pumping those hard, and also we will be doing warm-up on those beautiful and sexy slash with baby fats body of yours. Our first exercise, I name it Start Up Your Engine, and it's composed of a warm-up exercise strengthening the low back, and we'll be doing endurance exercise, and we'll be targeting the core and the abdominals.
So right now guys, enjoy! And please, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And then, please, do it!
It's like a dog.
Okay, let's change first. Hey, Coach is here. We'll be doing the exercise, and then prior to exercise, we'll be doing a warm-up. So warm-up gradually increases cardiovascular system, making the temperature high, and also increases the blood flow from your muscles. Yeah, your muscles. And it will be loosening up those tight joint of yours. And the most important thing, that it prevents injury for our physical activity. So we'll be also stretching the upper extremities, the back muscles and the chest muscles, and the muscles of the arms, the triceps and the biceps. And also we'll be doing some stretching on the shoulders, chest, the traps, and also the back muscles, chest. And then we'll be doing some stretching of the lower extremities, the inner thighs, the muscles on the front of our thighs, also back of the thighs. And then pag may time. Guys, you need also to download the Tabata timer, 20 seconds work time and 10 seconds rest. So every exercise, I'm also targeting the lower back muscles. I'll be doing steep deadlift. Not only strengthen your low back muscles, it also strengthen the hamstring muscle, the muscles which is located at the back of your thighs. So I'm doing the steep deadlift. So now I'm doing steep deadlift with kettlebell. A while ago I did steep deadlift with the mineral water. You can use mineral water also to strengthen also your low back. To go down. So bend your body, and then you do chest out. Try to see what I'm doing on my bending, and also I'm doing a little bend on my knees, also to strengthen also the hamstring muscles or the back of our thighs. So we'll be doing Tabata timer, 20 seconds hold and 10 seconds hold, and then we'll be doing 3 sets. 20 seconds work time and 10 seconds. So the next exercise will be doing the jumping jack. So these are basic exercise. So I'll be doing the modified version on my first set. So this involve abduction and adduction movement towards our feet and also our arms. So our arms are moving away from our body and also the legs. So these are basic exercise that is good for the heart. So I'll be doing the modified the version, the full version of the exercise. So every time you go up, you can do inhale, and then you have to do exhale. This is a good exercise to loosen I'll be doing 3 varieties of jumping jack. This is a basic jumping jack. Also, the next exercise I'll be doing the seal jump and then the front jump. So guys, if you need to modify the exercise, do it. So I'm doing right now the seal jump modified version. So my arms moving away from our body, and also same with my legs. These are abduction and adduction movement for body. On the seal jump, I usually the arms is bent
jump version.
not unlike the basic jumping jack. The arms are straight.
Exercise for
On the seal jump, they are bent 90
patagtag
degrees.
na mga baby fats natin.
And then guys, I have an hugot lines
So if remember,
that will be
I'm doing
I'd like to share to
20
you.
seconds work time.
Hugot ni
Also
coach.
20 seconds
Never
rest.
ever make your exercise
If you wanted
just
to
like your status
rest,
page
just
in
pause
your
my
FB.
video.
It's complicated. Make every exercise easy and doable. Okay guys?
So this is the front jump exercise modified version. Same thing with jumping jack and also the seal jump. This is good for the heart, and also these are basic exercise that will loosen up some baby fats. Front jump. Then we'll be doing one more. Okay, we're done with the 3 variety of the jumping jack. So I'm done with the jumping jack, the seal jump, and also the front jump. The next exercise I will be doing imaginary jump rope modified version. So this is also some basic exercise. I'm doing imaginary jump rope just to like sometimes when we use the jumping rope, when we miss, that will make our exercise.
Because sometimes when we use jump rope, we get frustrated when we cannot do the exercise continuously. So right now I use imaginary. So we don't have a jump rope, so we can focus also only on the jumping and also the workout. Hugot lines guys, hugot lines. Hey, your baby fats is like your past relationship. You must let go of it, guys. Yung mga baby fats natin, pagpag lang. And then, we need to let go every single bit. Okay, guys? So right now, I'm doing next exercise. We'll be doing some cardio workout, and then we'll be doing some boxing exercise. So also, usually the boxing exercise we have a lot of benefits that we can get in boxing exercise. We are doing some shadow boxing right now. So the thing that I did a while ago is the jump ropes included also in the boxing exercise. So it's a great cardio workout, and also it's a good thing. It will prevent some, like, especially the heart disease, burn calories, and also it will lose some of our baby fats, and it will lose some weight. So it's also good for body conditioning, toning of the muscles. So right now I'm doing a front jabbing. So you notice that I'm doing a side step, and then I'm punching in front. So this is a coordination exercise also, especially I'm using both. So I'm using my legs and I'm using my hands. It's front jabbing, guys. So I'm doing also 20 seconds work time and then 10 seconds rest. So we need to do also 10 seconds active rest. So next we'll be doing a hook punch. So I'm doing also side step. So what I'm doing is like I'm imitating a hook. So this is a hook punch. Also, this is good for body conditioning, our arms and legs and everything. This is a perfect cardio workout, guys. So this is my second set. Try to see that I'm also twisting also my core, my body. This is a great workout, guys. And I'll be doing one more. Punch. So next, I will be doing an uppercut punch. So I'll be doing also 3 sets. Okay. So I'm doing also a side step, and also I'm doing a punch going up. It's an uppercut, guys. So don't forget to do active rest also, and do inhale, exhale. And also if you need to rehydrate, guys, pause the video and also rehydrate. Okay, last set, uppercut. Okay, guys, this will be the last set of the uppercut punch. That's it. And I'm done. And try to remember, guys, we need to rehydrate, drink plenty of water. Drink, drink, drink. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, guys. Take your time. When you need to pause a video, you need to pause it. Then do some breathing exercise. So I'm done with my cardio workout. So it's time to do abdominal workout. I'll be starting with planking. Planking is an isometric core strength exercise. So it's somewhat similar with the push-up. So the idea is to hold it in a maximum possible time. So I'm doing a 20 seconds hold, isometric, and then 10 seconds rest, and then I'll be doing also stretching of the abdominals and then stretching of the lower back. And then I'll be doing another set, planking. So this is best for our core muscles, which involve in front of the muscles of the tummy, on the side obliques, butt muscles. Usually this is the core muscles are the muscles which keep you upright. So the benefits of planking, mostly benefits of the planking, it gives us strength, improve your posture, and also it increase metabolism. Okay, this is my last set of planking. Okay, so right now I'm doing some bench abdominals. So I'm doing 3 exercises for my bench abdominals. These exercises are for abdominals also and also core muscles. And also I'm doing, at the same time I'm doing also cardio workout. So this is in and out. So I'm doing bench abdominals. So anything that you can hold on it, you can do bench abdominals, then out in. Okay, these exercises are for the abdominals. Also you can do some cardio workout to burn some fats. So bench abdominals. So I'm doing also 3 set, 20 seconds work time and 10 seconds rest. So this will be my last set for the bench abdominals in and out. Hugot lines guys, hugot ni coach. So abdominals are hard-earned gift from God. Coach cannot do magic on them. I'm only a coach. I'm not a magician. Ooh. So work on it guys. So right now I'm doing also bench abdominals. Letter V. So you notice that from the back I'm going in front with the letter, I'm imitating letter V. From back my feet is close together, and then when I go front it's separate, so it's like a V shape. So I'm doing also guys, I'm doing also 3 set, 20 seconds work time and then 10 seconds rest. Inhale guys, inhale, exhale, and then if you need to pause the video, you stop and then do some rest. This will be my last one. Guys, try to remember, abdominals, you need to work on them, and also you need to burn the fats first because many people are asking me, coach, I need to do some abdominals, but tagpagin muna natin yung mga baby fats bago tayo magka-abdominals. Okay, next one will be the bench abdominals, letter A. So I'll be starting front to back. Front. So I'm imitating like a letter A. So my feet is close together in front, and then when I'm doing it, going to the back, separate. So it's a letter A. These muscles, these exercises are for the core muscles, abdominals also, and then I'm doing a lot of cardio workout here, guys. Oh, burn those muscles, burn those fats, burn those fats. Okay, I think this will be my last one. Last one. Okay, good. So guys, right now, mostly some of my clients before, they are familiar with my exercise. So every end of my workout, I'm doing exercise for the abdominals, especially targeting the lower abdominals. So these are 100 exercise. So I'll be starting with 100, and then eventually every day I'm increasing like 100 this day, and then tomorrow I'll be adding 100, and then by the next day 100. So reach the maximum. So right now I'm starting with 100 exercise. So I'm doing basic crunches with 10 seconds hold. So I'll be doing 20 basic crunches with 10 seconds hold on the first and on the last part. So next will be I'm doing side crunches. This is for the obliques. So I'm also doing isometric hold on the first, on the start. Also doing isometric hold on the last part. So we need to do 10 on each side. Next we'll be doing 20 bridging or pelvic tilting. This exercise is best for also for our legs muscles and also the back muscles. Muscles. Okay, I'm doing also isometric for 10 seconds. And down. Next, this exercise is straight leg raise. It's also strengthen also the low abdominals and also stretch the hamstring muscles. Guys, now I'm doing shoulder tapping. It's like doing a push-up, and then I need to do 10 tap on each shoulder. So I'm done with the 100 exercise, guys. So by the next exercise we'll be doing more. Okay guys, right now we're done with the exercise. We'll be doing some cool down legs, and then front of the legs, back of the legs, inner thighs, and then we'll be doing some stretching also. Pull down, inhale, exhale guys, inhale, exhale. Okay guys, that will be my first ever exercise. Thank you. Namaste.
Food for thoughts. When we're young, we use our health to gain too much wealth. But when we grow older, we use our health to regain our health. True. Bye bye.